Incoming device, the Samsung S9, but it's not the normal generation. We'll have to look at the...
It's an A8.
Oh, A8?
She was an A8.
2018 of it?
A8, Samsung A8.
A8. A8, model number A530F/DS. The rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. The back, I believe this is made of glass. It does not appear to be cracked. Take a look at the bottom of the device. It does look like the charging port is fitting snug, allowing for incoming charge current of 1.4 amperes. The headphone jack is round. Take a look at the digitizer. It does pass a 6-point random digitizer test. Check the rear camera.
Would you mind pulling an S8 from the account for to see the used one?
The front and rear cameras are both working smoothly. It is an AT&T device, 35%. Go ahead and take a look at the parts cost for the Samsung A8. We'll go ahead and take a look at parts cost.